episodes, 2-minute specials, and more. Seems like you've got a long way to go, little fella.
Uh-huh.
Thomas is a tank. Wake up, lazy bones. Why don't you work hard like me?
I don't think I'll ever be as good as you, though, mister. I wish I was more like you.
Well, it's not your fault. It's this blasted company that's blaming someone for no reason.
I guess so. I still kinda heard that even parents don't even like me.
Huh?
Well, what else would anyone expect? Change is change. If you look at the original books, their illustrations always look different.
Huh! An exactual example.
There was one important question somebody once brought up. What's the real Thomas to you, he asks.
Real Thomas? Well, I don't know if,
Don't get your smoke boxes twisted. You don't have to answer. In our own way and right, all of us are Thomas. That kind of question is left up to just the fans worldwide out there. And just them alone.